What's up everyone, welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like and subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon. We're posting 4 videos every day, so make sure to check back every single day. We're aiming for 20k subscribers and get a deal in the description if you haven't already. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. What's up guys, so just before we begin, make sure to hit the subscribe and bell icon. People aren't seeing our content and that's probably because you haven't hit the bell. Thank you again for all your support. We're so proud of the amazing community that we've built. So we're just taking a quick look at Cosmos here, and as we can see, it's looking very bullish indeed, isn't it? You can see quite clearly. Let me just draw my fib retracement in here actually, so we can just get an idea of what's been going on here. You can see we broke the previous all-time high. We've come down, retested it at support at around that $32 level. Looking very, very good indeed. Basically, things looking very bullish, aren't they? You can see here that we're basically looking at something like this for pretty much a lot of cryptocurrencies, smart contract platforms, alternate smart contract platforms like Cosmos. L1 has done the same thing, and we do strongly predict that, you know, all these smart contract platforms are going to continue to perform well. Obviously, Ethereum suffering massively recently. Solana also having that big issue with its blockchain literally stopping because of an overload of the transactions per second, which is pretty crazy. So obviously a lot of money rotating out of Solana into some of these other smart contract platforms, as we said, Elrond, Harmony One, Algorand, Cosmos, Avalanche, you know, the list goes on and on. Basically, there's a lot of alternate platforms. Near as well, really good example. It's quite clear that, you know, they're all getting a nice little bit of love right now, and you can see technically on the chart what's been happening. You know, we come down, we bottom out after, you know, have a high, lower low, lower high, lower low. We make a higher high and a higher low. Trend reversal, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. I mean, this is pretty much a carbon copy of the Elrond price chart as well. Go check out our Elrond video, by the way. But pretty clear, you know, that things have been going exceptionally well for Cosmos, and it does seem very likely that, you know, in reality, things are just going really, really well, aren't they? I mean, there's not really much else to say. Now that we've broken that all-time high and retested it as support, you would strongly expect, you know, things to start marching on really now that it does look as though we have wicked very nicely up off of that previous all-time high at around $32.30. And, you know, you'd expect things to be marching on from here. In reality, we've retested support multiple times on the way up, looking really bullish. Ever since we flipped bullish on our EMAs, we come down to the 20, find it as support, come down to the 55, find it as support. Perfectly on that 618 retracement as well. Broke the all-time high. Come up to around, what is this, $39-ish. I've had this retracement now, and you would expect, you know, with this back test really to be marching on, wouldn't you? So overall, you'd say short-term price predictions then. We want it, you know, if we do see ourselves rolling over, you expect the 20 moving average here to hold as support, coming in at around $30. We've got the 55 as well, coming in at around, what is this? It'll probably be around $23, $24 at the 078 here, if we did have a deep correction like this before a bounce. But if we do start to pump up here and we do start to reclaim that $39 level, we've got the 127 here at around $47 as our next price target. And then long term, as we always say, looking at our fib targets here, we've got the 141 coming at around $58, the 161 coming in at around $78-ish, and we've got the 227 coming in at around a massive $200, which would be, you know, around an 8x from the current price, which is, you know, definitely possible considering how amazing these protocols actually are, and not to mention how much of a pump they are getting in the minute. So that's it guys, we'd like to thank everyone so much for their support. If you've got any questions or suggestions, please leave them down below, and don't forget to subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon, to stay up to date with the 4 videos that we post every single day. Remember, if you want to support the channel more directly and get a ton of benefits and insight, as well as joining our growing community, consider the Patreon or YouTube membership down below. You can also sign up to our free Telegram via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto, so go check them all out below. There's plenty of goodness on offer. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalist.